What's going on, everybody? Apex Cards here, and we are we're at the beach. We got a little bit of a rainy day going on. Not good beach weather. So I thought I would open a few packs in the hotel room. I've got 4 packs of 87 tops here, and we're gonna go after that Bonds rookie, I guess. I don't know. Let's have some fun. Oh. No. One of these have been... Somebody's already been in here. Looks like gum residue on the back of this one. I wonder if these have been searched or repacked or whatever. We got Chris Bando here, and the gum is pretty stuck. Well, actually, it's another card. Yeah. Mike Bilecki. Sorry, Mike. You're screwed. This gum has hardened. Yeah. Tony Gwynn. Got a Tony Gwynn 87 right here. That's a nice one. Dwight Evans 86 record breaker. Mike Marshall. Cecil Cooper. Jim Traber. Chico Walker. Tom Hare. Bob Melvin. Gary Lucas. Yeah, Eric Davis. Alvaro Espinosa. Frank Viola. John Franco. Ken Daly. And Pat Sheridan. I don't know, man. These might be searched. That kind of sucks. I sure hope I'm wrong. Tom Lawless. Juan Agosto. I'll try to get it off later. It's pretty stuck. An Eddie Murray, that's a good one. Cliff Johnson. Got a Jack Morris, that's another good card. Jeff Robinson. Daryl Porter. Mark Eastman. Jose Guzman. Mark Salas. Spike Owen. Got Jerry Royster. George Bamberger. Jeff Lottie. R.J. Reynolds. Rafael Santana. Bill Kruger. And we can win a trip to trip for 4 to the 1988 spring training camp with a team of your choice. Is that a good, baby? You want to go to 1988 spring training camp? Okay, no. She says no. Let's see. Oh, poor Gary Carter. God dang it. Come on, be gentle. Yeah. There's got to be a market for gum residue cards somewhere, right? Got a little Gary Carter. Not bad. Got Juan Benitez, Spike Owen, Andres Galarraga, Bobby Meacham, Tim Stoddard, Dave Schmidt, Yankees leaders card, a checklist, Ed Olwine, Dwight Gooden, Pat Tabler, Mickey Tettleton, Terry Forster, Dwight Evans, and Denny Martinez. We're back at 87 here, and see if they're even good. we'll deal with you later. Lloyd Mosby, Cal Daniels, we got a Carmelo Martinez, Nate Snell, Rick Shue, Willie McGee, Nick Saski, Jeff Orozco, John Butcher, Andy Hawkins, Joel Youngblood, Pete Inclaviglia Gold Cup card, that's a good one. Don Schultz, Ricky Henderson, Dave Bergman, and Scott Bales. Well, you win some, you lose some. I feel like we lost some that time. And, you know, can't really do much with that. So, we're here. It's all right. Like, comment, subscribe. We might do this again later. Bye.